What's up, guys? What's going on? We're going to be talking about another crypto coin called Aave. What is Aave? Let's find out what Aave is about, what it does. Unlocking the world of Aave, the DeFi powerhouse. Imagine a world where you can lend your money to strangers halfway across the globe, earn interest without a bank, and borrow cash instantly, all without paperwork or middlemen. That's the magic of Aave, a standout player in cryptocurrency universe. Aave isn't just another digital coin, it's the feel for a revolutionary system that lets people take control of their finances through decentralized finance, or DeFi. At its core, Aave is an open source protocol built on blockchain technology, allowing users to supply cryptocurrencies to earn interest or borrow them against collateral. Launched as a way to make lending and borrowing as easy as sending an email, Aave has grown into a multi-billion-dollar ecosystem. Today, it powers transactions across more than a dozen blockchains, handling tens of billions of dollars in value. But how did this all start? Let's dive in. The origins from ETHLend to Aave. Every great innovation has a story, and Aave's begins with a young Finnish lawyer named Stari Kulichov. In 2017, while studying law, Helsinki, Kulichov spotted a gap in the crypto world. Traditional banks were slow, exclusive, and fee-heavy, especially for digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Crypto holders needed a better way to lend and borrow without trusting traditional or centralized institutions that could freeze accounts or go bust. So Kulichov found ETHLend, a peer-to-peer lending platform on the Ethereum blockchain. It was simple, connect lenders directly with borrowers, all secured by smart contracts, self-executing code that runs automatically. ETHLend raised funds through an initial coin offering in late 2017 during the crypto boom, netting about $1.3 billion in Ether. The native token was Lend, used for governance and rewards, but the 2018 bear market hit hard. Crypto prices crashed, user activity dried up, and ETHLend struggled with scalability issues on Ethereum's congested network. Kulichov didn't quit. Instead, he pivoted. In January 2020, ETHLend rebranded to Aave, Finnish for Ghost, symbolizing the symbolizing the invisible, efficient flow of money. The relaunch came with upgrades, pooled liquidity instead of peer-to-peer matching, which made loans faster and more reliable. Lend token holders could swap 100 to 1 for new Aave token, a move that streamlined the ecosystem. Why did Kulichov create this? It boiled down to empowerment. As a law student fascinated by RegTech, regulatory technology, he wanted to blend blockchain's transparency with real-world finance. Aave aimed to democratize access to credit, especially for unbanked or those in volatile economies. No more waiting for bank approvals or high fees. Aave promised 24/7 borderless lending. Based in Switzerland for its crypto-friendly laws, the company, Aave Companies, operated as for-profit entity but keeps the protocol fully decentralized and community governed. By 2025, Aave has weathered the market storms, becoming DeFi leader with over $10 billion in total value locked at peaks. How Aave works, lending, borrowing, and beyond. Think of Aave as a giant digital vending machine for money. Users supply their crypto, like USDC stablecoin or Ethereum, into liquidity pools. In return, they earn variable interest rates, which fluctuate based on supply and demand, much like a savings account on steroids. Rates can hit 5 to 10% APY or more, far outpacing traditional banks. Borrowers, on the other hand, take out loans by over collateralizing. If you want to borrow $800 of DAI, you might lock up $1,000 in ETH as collateral. This keeps things safe. If the loan value rises too much due to market dips, the collateral gets liquidated automatically to protect lenders. What sets Aave apart are its innovative features. Flash loans are a game changer. Borrow millions instantly without collateral as long as you repay in the same transaction, often seconds later. That's interesting. What? You're going to borrow millions instantly and you're not going to provide collateral as long as you pay in the same transaction. I don't know if that even really makes sense to me. Traders use these for arbitrage, buying low on one exchange and selling high on another, or to fix smart contract bugs. Then there's stable rate borrowing, where you lock in a fixed interest to avoid surprises. Aave version 3, the latest version, rolled out in 2023, added cross-chain bridges for seamless transfers between blockchains like Polygon and Avalanche, slashing fees and boosting speed. Security is paramount too. The protocol has undergone multiple audits and holds a safety module, where staked assets act as insurance against hacks or shortfalls. In essence, Aave turns idle crypto into productive assets. Suppliers grow their holdings passively, while borrowers access liquidity for trading, yield farming, or even real-world needs like buying a house. If bridged to fiat, it's all non-custodial. You control your keys, so no one can seize your funds. This trustless design has made Aave a backbone for stablecoins like USDC and USDT, powering their growth since the early days. The Aave token, governance, and incentives. At the heart of Aave beats the Aave token, an ERC20 utility and governance coin with a fixed supply of 16 million. More than just a store of value, Aave empowers its holders to shape the protocol's future. Through the Aave governance system, token holders propose and vote on Aave improvement proposals. Everything from adding new assets to tweaking risk parameters. Voting power scales with your stake. Hold more, influence more. It's fully on-chain, transparent, and community-driven, ensuring no single entity calls the shots. But Aave's uses go deeper. Staking it in the safety module turns holders into guardians. In rare shortfall events, like mass liquidations, staked Aave can be slashed to cover losses, but in return, stakers earn extra rewards, often from protocol fees. This aligns incentives. The more you stake, the safer the system. The holders also snag fee discounts on borrowing and can delegate votes if they're not tech savvy. Over time, a portion of protocol earnings, like 10% of the interest, gets funneled back as buybacks and burns, potentially boosting scarcity and value. In 2025, with DeFi maturing, Aave's role in decision making has grown, including votes on integrations with real world assets like tokenized bonds. Critics say governance can be well dominated. Big holders sway votes, but mechanisms like quadratic voting aim to balance this. Overall, Aave isn't speculative fluff. It's a tool for collective ownership in a borderless economy. Getting started, where to buy and store Aave. Ready to join Aave Revolution? Acquiring Aave is straightforward thanks to its listing on major platforms. Start with reputable centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance. On Coinbase, for instance, sign up, verify your ID, your KYC, link a bank account or card, and search for Aave. Deposit USD or Euro, or swap Bitcoin. Then buy at market prices. Expect fees to be around 0.5 to 2%. We're gonna move on from all that. Once bought, store Aave securely on a hardware wallet like Ledger. Okay. Okay, Aave's lasting impact, the future of finance. Aave isn't just a coin, it's a blueprint for financial freedom. From Cooley Chobe's ETHLEN dream to a protocol bridging TradFi and DeFi, it proves blockchain can outpace old systems with features like flash loans, sparking innovation, and governance fostering community. Aave tackles real problems: exclusion, inefficiency, and advocacy. As adoption grows, think institutions tokenizing assets. Aave could redefine money, yet challenges remain: scalability, regulation, and hacks, though Aave's track record is stellar. For newcomers, it's an entry into DeFi. Promise, earn, borrow, govern all your terms. In a nutshell, Aave empowers the everyday user over elites. Whether you are a lender chasing yields or a borrower needing quick cash, it's a gateway to tomorrow's economy. Dive in, stay informed, and who knows, your Aave stake might just vote on the next big upgrade. Alright, so that's about Aave. Sounds pretty interesting. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section. Also, if you want to buy Aave, you can sign up at Coinbase. I do have a referral link to Coinbase. If you look in the description and click the simple.bio link, or you go to santaall.net, you can click free crypto and find my Coinbase link there. Deposit $30 or $20, get $30 for free at Coinbase right now, I believe. And also, if you need a Ledger hardware wallet to safely secure your Aave, I got a link to that also. Like I said, in the description, click the simple.bio link and then find Ledger, or go to santaall.net, click free crypto, and then you can find the Ledger link there also. I appreciate y'all. So guys, check out my website, santaall.net, where you can go here and you can support my YouTube channels. We got Crypto Commander, 5-minute crypto updates, what it's like adventures. Many channels here where you can support, and you can actually earn free XRP, free Santa token, and Filipina token. Those are my crypto coins. yeah, you can earn it here. And basically, if you just simply like click here in the account section, you'd want to sign up for an account at sentinel.net. Then you click here, and you can watch videos and earn entries. See, I got it all categorized here, and then like the ones that you haven't seen are gonna be like red, I guess. So you click, say, oh, I haven't seen this one yet, and you watch the video, right? And every 5 seconds, it's gonna update your Sana, and this is basically entries for the competition. We have a weekly competition. Whoever earns the most Sana gets, a bunch of XRP, Sana, and Filipina. So, yeah, you can just watch videos all the time and share my videos also and earn free entries and free Sana, free crypto, free XRP, free Filipino. So, yeah, and then if you want to watch another video, just click watch next video, and then it comes back to this page, and you just click there. Also, guys, if you are a YouTuber and you want to, promote your video, you can actually add the URL to your YouTube video here in this little box, and you can click buy now, and for $5, you just go to PayPal, pay $5, and basically we will add your YouTube video to this page, and then all the peoples of sentinel.net can support your video, and they will earn free Sana just watching their video. It's pretty cool. So that's one thing we got. And then this is the leaderboard here, where people are competing to have the most Sana for the week, right? And this is the prizes here. I don't know if you can see. I will zoom in a little bit, but you can see first place will get 5 XRP, 10 million Sana, 10 million Filipina. And the value of Sana and Filipina are going up because I'm constantly buying. I buy like every day, so I put a little buying pressure on it. I'm not one of those pump and dumpers. I like to support the tokens that I created and, keep building on them and using them, give them more use cases to make people, want to have anything to do with it. So, yeah. Just showing you all that. Also, if you want to get free stocks and crypto, you just click here. Click get free stocks and crypto here at sentinel.net. Click that, and then there's all my affiliate links right there. Bam. You can get a Ledger hardware wallet to secure your crypto, get it off the exchanges, and then you hold the keys, not the exchange. So that's smart, especially if you have a lot of money in crypto. And then we got Coinbase and Uphold. Coinbase, I think right now actually it's like deposit, I believe $20, and you can get $30 for free crypto, and then Uphold $100, you get $20 free. We got BitTrue and BTCC. They got similar deposit bonus deals, and Pionex, but BitTrue and BTCC have leverage trading. So if you guys want to do leverage trading, those are the ones for you. If you guys want to get Sana token or Filipina, you could get that at xpmarket.com. Go sign up at sentinel.net. Get free XRP, free Sana, and free Filipina. Especially if you're lonely, you might want to get that one. Anyway, I appreciate y'all. Have a good day. Smash the like, subscribe, and peace out till next time.